good evening, good day, whatever it may be. My name is Covenant BBC and I'm a software developer. This evening I just want to quickly show you the use of the pay the data we have, and without much wasting of time, just go there directly. So I'm going to look local host actually. I just run it. So I just saved it as PayLab. I'm going to localhost, so might be a bit slow because of how it is. So we just interface. We have data, airtime, cable, TV cable connect, subscription, electricity results pin, and we have others. You can add these others in the as you can see, it's very well responsive and it works very responsive actually. It works well. Notice the number shows here and it's showing down here. You will notice, which means that once you click on it, if you are connected to your phone, you can easily make call through it. All this one will send a text message directly. You can also change your language options in the admin panel. You can add more languages, login, register, home, service feature, app, payments, partner, contacts. So those are the menu we have here. OG data is our logo. Our popular services, all these are editable in the admin panel, along with the colors too. This image is editable. Our feature, our popular feature, all these are all editable. As you can see, they are responsive too. Our company overview, these two are editable and responsive. This two is editable and responsive. You can just use Photoshop to add an image like this, something like this, and then you can easily. Okay, I think I'm going to make this color in the back end. That's in the new panel. I'm going to make it maybe a little dark so that this text can come out, because it's just white and it's not really showing. So this link is working. If you look down here, you see a link. Just use any one there. Payment method. I think I'll change this text color too. We have different paying method here, different kind, and they are addable, they are movable, they are they are all responsive. Then the services, okay, our business partners, these are the people that you sell their services to here, and you have that. So as a newcomer, um, let me just act as a newcomer. I want to buy data, and I want to buy 1000 naira data. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be redirected to a login panel. So this is our login panel, but since I don't have an account, I would love to sign up. Here, and since I'm using just any details, I just put in a wrong details. My name is Abdul Gafar Suleiman. I think it's Suleiman FME Suleiman, and the username will just be Abdul Gar 1234, and then my country is Nigeria, so I just look for Nigeria here. Click on the arrow to look for my dear country, Nigeria. Okay, I've seen Nigeria here, and I just input the number here. And I'll put an email. Actually, in this email part, there's a part where you can actually, that's at the admin panel, you can make the user verify their email or not, or their phone number. But it's possible for them to verify either one of them, either the email or the phone number. For the password, just put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And this is our captcha. So there are three types of captcha. We have the custom one, we have the re-chapter, and I think we have another one, but for safer reasons we just push this one. So this is my dashboard. As you can see, this is my this will be my referral link, so you can go to refer people by just copying this link and sharing it to them. When you refer people, you get 1000 naira. It's usually your choice. Actually, you can remove or debit the amounts there. So as I said again, this I'll have to change this color of the text to maybe a little bit darker for this ones to appear. So the way this thing works is that first of all, you deposit money to this account here. After depositing money, you can now buy services for this particular amount here. So the first thing to do is to go to deposit here. To go to deposit, once you click on it, it will show us deposit methods. Currently they are ready to install. You have the filter wave where you just enter your card details, and we have the manual method whereby you just really send money to your account. So we ask to enter the amount. Want to deposit 5,000, you confirm it. It's a bit slow because it's on localhost and I'm recording at the same time. Okay, so we will just pay now. Okay, so you have requested 5,000. Please pay 5,000 for successful payments. Send to the account number, this account. Then when you are done, you have to either send the screenshots of the debit alert, or to send a teller or a receipt confirming the payment. So I don't have any for now, so I'll just pick just pick this one. As I said, it's just for testing purposes, but the real one, then I will enter my name, Abdul Abdul Gafar Sulaiman, and I'll pay now. So this process is just as simplified as possible. Once you deposit, the admin will have to approve it. You can see the status is pending. Once the admin approve, then your dashboard will reveal your balance. Go back to your dashboard to review your total balance here, but it has not been approved yet. Total balance is 0 and your total is what it is 0. We are currently at 0 transaction, we have 0 service purchase, everything is 0. So now let's log in the admin panel and see what we can do there. After that, I'll open another browser and I enter my lab/admin. So once I'm in, I'll just input my login details. Alright, so this is my dashboard. Currently I have 5 total users. Total verified users are also 5. Total email verified. I've not really activated that service is because I'm offline. I'm working offline. Total approved service, total deposit. So this is a chart showing you how many people have deposited in how many days, and it's also very responsive. The same thing in new users list, it is listed according to how people register. This was the first person I registered, down to the third, down to currently, and it shows the type of browser the person used to register, type of phone they used to register, and the country. So the service category. Okay, I'm not really going to explain all the features. I made a other video for that one, so yeah, I'm just explaining how how the rest of works. So I have a pending deposit here. So either I click on here, or I come to this notification bell here that's ringing, and I click on this one. Since I have a deposit request from Abdulgafar 1234, so I click on this one, I click on this one, but if I click on this one, so once I click on this, that will be after I have confirmed the payment on my mobile phone. The way the thing works is that once someone pays, you receive your alert, then you know someone needs your service. Then you come to the website, or you send a person, and then you view their details. You view their details, click on to view their details. Then this is the picture I posted, right? Just for sample purposes, and this is all their details. So I'll just approve it. I will be I'll be asked if I really want to approve it, so I'll just go ahead and approve it. So currently I have approved this. Alright, so I have approved this. So let me just go to approve deposit to be sure that it is really approved. Alright, so we can see here totally approved. Once again, if you are not really sure, you can just check the details to see if it's really approved or not. And once approved, it cannot be disapproved again. So you have to be sure that it is really approved. So by this, we just go back to our client's dashboard, we refresh the page, and then we'll see if it has really been approved or not. Okay, so my total balance now is 5,000 naira. I'm going to do one transaction of 5,000 total deposit. So at this point now, I can now order any service I want by just going to this place here. I can order different services. Currently I've added about just 5 services. I have added data, I've added airtime, TV subscription, electricity, utility bill, and results pin. So let's say for instance I want to buy data. Let's click on data. I want to buy 5,000 watts data, or let me just say I want to buy 3,000 watts data. Click on confirm. Charge, you can include this charge in your admin panel. Maybe you want, maybe for every 1,000 you want to charge them maybe 10 euro. You can include it in your. Okay, so we are now to select the operator. I want to buy constructions. Kindly enter your phone number for your data beginning with the country code. Okay, since I want to buy MTN data, just include MTN data here. Then I will include my number of the country code +23412345678. Then this for personal for somebody. Well, this is personal. But let's enter personal here. Click on confirm. So once I click on confirmed, please note there will not be any approval page whether I should really confirm or not. So once you click on confirm, you are as good as been confirmed already. So yeah, it is showing the pending service. Once you click on this, it show okay, no feedback yet. So by this, we just wait for the admin to go on and approve this. So we'll go back to the admin panel, refresh our page. So once we refresh, you can either come here to the bell icon and we'll see request for data service from Abdul Gafar. Click on it, or you click on apply service here and then click on pending service. This means that an alert is going on somewhere that you should quickly attend to it. Actually, when this is posted online, it will be more easier because we have what you call the crew. So click on details to see. So I'm assuming what the owner of the site will do is to actually just Usually just send the required data to this number. After sending data to this number, you approve it, then you include your text. For example 2000, just approve it with 2000 word data was successfully sent to the number given. Then you are good to approve it. But if you want to reject it too, since you can reject it with the same detail, maybe for example the person gave a very low amount of airtime, maybe just with 15 naira airtime, and it's not really available, so you can just write 15 naira worth of airtime not available. Service starts from 100 naira, something like that, and you can disapprove it. So it will give you something like request area successfully. So now let's go back to our dashboard here, our client dashboard. So once we refresh, we see that we have a minus figure here. Minus 30 means we have been deducted. Our post balance is 2000 requested for data services at this particular time. And then we can also see that our total balance has been reduced to 2000, and we currently have 2 transactions and 1 service purchase. To be sure, just view all service purchased, and here we can see where we actually purchased one of our data service. And you can see it has already been approved. Then we can see more information here saying 2000 watt data was successfully sent number given. That is number given. And that is where this whole thing works. You can also refer someone using your link. Let me just show you how that works in a quick moment. And the way the referral works, at the admin panel too, you can include how, okay, this is the link here, just copy the link, then let me log out this particular client, log him out, then alright, this is very slow. I hate slow system. So I put my link here, I click on enter. Alright, so I have my referral name here. It's not editable actually, so let me log in on that client details with maybe Habib Usman, the username Usman, Usman. My dear country, Nigeria. Let me use another country this time around. Let me use Egypt. Let me use one blah 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 blah. Sorry. I'm good to go. Email Usman beep at gmail.com. Password 1234567 8. 1234567 Capture 648 pipe 91. Click on accept, click on register. Okay, so we're in. This is the person's, this is the registered person, but that's very transaction. So let's just log out and log into that Abdul Gafar run, and let's see if he has the said referral bonus. So that's over here. So remember, username was Duga1234, and its password is 1234567 8. We have 74, okay, 774744. Coincidence. 774744. I made that my password. I just spoiled. Alright, so let's see. Let's see. Yeah, our deadline is 1 and our balance was increased to 3000 naira, and the reason was sign up bonus for share referral link. So this is 1000 naira. So this 1000 naira you can use it to buy either data or airtime or any. Okay, let's see if I can order any other service apart from data and airtime, because this and airtime you just require only to enter your phone number and your full name. So let's see if I can buy. What's this? Okay, TV subscription. TV subscription, I think. Let me see what's 5000 rand. Just subscription. One more subscription, I think. What's 5000 rand? It's your choice actually to really add the reasons insufficient balance. Wow, insufficient balance. So my choice to deposit, but I don't like to deposit, so I just bring down my cost estimates. Instead of applying for 5000, I will I'll just apply for maybe 3000 also. So let me apply for just 3000. You confirm it. Please don't tell me sufficient balance. Please, I am broke. Sapa, catch me. Alright, so it has been confirmed. So yeah, just enter my TV subscription. Which one I'm using StarTimes. Prefer subscription plan. I want the Super Nova. I enter my pin. My pin is at the back of my decoder, so I just enter now. Blah 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 blah. Plain blah 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 blah. Boom. Blam. Click on confirm. And then I am charged 3000. This balance will be 0 because my total amount is 3000 naira only. So the same way you can order for electricity bill, what you have to do is enter whether you want a prepaid, whether you have a prepaid meter or you have a postpaid meter, and then you'll be asked to enter your electricity. Okay, so let's see. I think this is real life. Okay, not real life. I have to refresh the page first. So to receive, okay, I think to receive things like this, to receive sharp things like this, you can either check your account balance or you have to be online to check your email every let's say every 5 minutes. Not say we should really be online that much. And also I prefer if you are like 2 or more on this job, so that it will be more easier and more faster. So we have still pending here. So I believe that the owner of the website or the admin will just subscribe for the person actually and then approve, saying decoder. Okay, that's a spelling error. I think the right spelling. Decoder subscribed successfully. Enjoy. And you approve it, and I believe the person's decoder will be subscribed if really available. But if it's not subscribed, you can either just reject it and send the person back their money. Okay, so when we refresh it, it's supposed to see a successful green tag here. Oh god, slow system, slow system. Okay, so it has been approved as you can see here. Another thing occurring here is we have the tickets, the support tickets. For example, you made payments and your data was not sent to you. You can just come to account here and click on support here. So once you click on support, you'll be able to direct all your complaints. For example, I paid but was not refunded. Oh, that's just history here. I I paid for a service and I want it cancelled. You full stop there and then you can I choose a file or not. So I'm not choose a file because I don't even I click on submit. It's nice to be a web developer. This is like my fourth year of being in this work. So it's on open currently. So once I go to my admin panel, I'll go to I'm gonna refresh the page. Once I refresh my page, to be able to see the new support ticket has been opened. Click on it and then or you can either come here to support ticket then show. So we have Abdul Gafar. So just reply the message saying thank you for reaching out to us. Your complaint will be resolved within 24 hours. Sorry for the inconveniences. I hope that's correct. No, it's not. Complaints to show complaint. So you gotta reply, and then once everything is done, you can successfully close his ticket. That is if his complaint are really justified. You can just close the ticket here. And you're good to go. And once we refresh this, you should be able to see a reply that was sent. Okay, 4 seconds ago. Wow, that's really fast. So once we refresh, supposed to be able to see. Okay, status answered. The status was not answered before it was opened. Now it is answered currently, so we see what our answer really is. Which our answer is this, and well, since I've already sent, just close the ticket. Actually, want to close the support ticket. Confirm and close it. So this is just how this data and utility payment platform works. I will soon upload it to the bigger site where you can really see the whole dimension of it. So this just the admin panel, and sure the person who will be able to purchase this really have a very great advantage because it's going to really bring you plenty income. I'm assuring you that. So with that, thank you very much for purchasing this, and I will see you in the next video.